Hello Ghana, this is your girl Frescalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy. Hello Ghana, this is your girl Frescalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
One kind of sorry na call. If you say we can buy me out, we're penning me the fountain and mini baby call. Baby do so baby so to men for pin what betty call. Image young call. Na young for cool people. Young near fata. Uni me send me to Wankasa. Mama de na family who will bush your phone, the bigger bomb pata. Yamu here no one saka. A juana job on your papa. Mamma from a come to a bassa so that me from Munya. Papa would even that hour door. Sad. I saw the yo. Where they tree raga. Alright, let me show you. Oh, I'm a bomb in a home. I'm a bonnet. Yes, I did a damn bina. Mebo. Yammy, you know my name is if I tell me not Bobby Coco. In your view, remember, the best of me worry with in a mato. Sikako, Kawaka, Kraka, passes, who will not give me what up. Sikati, what me set me bottle. Who don't have some in Tinimeko. Open honeymoon on the moon, catch me and co. The boat Wakumu Coco. Kimamina Kuma Yankoto. Minko Sunkachi, and I mean this Ankano Poto. Baby girl, cool for me. No cry, no swimming pool for me. Me ready to be a man, I'm the world, so set the rule for me. I no go break no rules for me. Done the love in school for real. I've got all you need, so nobody worry, just cool for me. The love is like a treasure. Girl, me got the tool for dig. Those jail coulda measure super heavyweight thing me bring. Man, I try separate, we have these thing me bring. And if a loving thing, me are the right man for ring. Nyakana ya bow by nenye ya di da da. Da 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 di 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 da di di da da di da da. Kimma minute ye min kwana kanyi na me tia da da. Edi ane papi bi abene wa hanti brabe di na da di na da. Oh, yeah yeah. This girl stole my heart.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Frescalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
Anytime you walk across, girl, I feel confusion. Oh. You make me start a thing and me need a conclusion. Anytime you walk across, girl, I feel confusion. Oh. Yeah. You make me start a thing and me need a conclusion. Yeah. When they me property, not to me when I make it properly.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Yeah. Yeah. For love. We ain't good to send from above. But you're from the for your country, any money for saying enough is enough. You want no man can be like you craft. Who was in when you're sharp? I'm for let for my couple days over my was when you wanna want my work up. Baby, what's up? Anytime you walk across, girl, I'm pure confusion.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Yeah. Okay. Say, hey, you know you're another one. Shout out to my brother, man. On your mouth, now you run a gunner, man. Shit is wavy. Bisa banana, man. Eddie, when you're a man, then I done. Kwaba, I want you now, mama, too. Van Dam, where you been? How are you? Still fresh, who try that money are you? Until then, when you know she show me money are you? Give me the loot, then we'll be rid of it in the shit and the boy you'll be in the bed in the boo. Marble sauce and give me the soup. You mad? Damn it, that's a minute too. Oh, can't cool man and I catch and I miss almost a minute too.
Ooh, you niggas be soft. You niggas be off. You niggas at gym. You niggas at ball. You did it back the front. Who be the boss? Did it back the front. Who be the boss? Watch it. Watch it.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Did it back the front. Mash it. Yeah. Did it back to front. Balance. Still crying, yummy day. Or ribbon to show money way. Tidy me all I'm day. Only put the gun on 1 year. They strip no bunny yeah, made the bobo no human money me. Nick.
Yeah, me, yeah, yeah. Castro, yeah, yeah, me, yeah, more femme, yeah,
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
I know. Yeah, me, yeah, more femme, yeah, more. Yeah, me, yeah, more, yeah. Castro, yeah, yeah, me, yeah, more femme, yeah, mama, every day, everywhere you go. I'm sick of trying. Yeah, me, yeah, more femme, yeah, more. Yeah, me, yeah, more, yeah. Castro, yeah, me, yeah, more femme, yeah, mama, every day. Everywhere you go, some of my Matia said, yeah, me, yeah, more fair. And you dad say, yeah, never be one of the catch. I did that say, yeah, I mean, them say, Ghana, my pet. If I'm more doctor, Diana, Mope, Moncania, I like you move it, yeah, maybe I can say do it. I'm not gonna stop it, come on, do it. Castro, I can't prove it. No retreat, no surrender. Baby, I'll be fair and the fire. No digging it up, no dance stop, no rhythm, no big up, no shut up.
We like it. Castro, we like it.
I know you like it.
We like it. Castro, we like it.
I know you like it. Yeah, me, yeah, more fair. Yeah, me, yeah, more, yeah.
Castro, yeah,
Yeah, me, yeah, more fair, yeah, mama, every day, everywhere you go. I'm sick of trying. Yeah, me, yeah, more fair. Yeah, me, yeah, more, yeah.
Castro, yeah,
Yeah, me, yeah, more fair, yeah, mama, every day, everywhere you go. I'm sick of trying. African girl, them a hot, them a sweet like a candy. Them a want in the club with a sexy body. Hola. African girl, them a hot, them a sweet like a candy. Them a want in the club with a sexy body. Hola. Don't got it twisted. I'm the prophet. When it comes to hip life, call me the master. I'll make the ladies bounce in the club with my track. Show me what they get. You know who I am. No pain, no gain. Life is good, it's true. I made my own way. You know what it is. You know what it is. Back in the days, no way, niggas, chill with champagne. I made my own way, now they start to complain. Them niggas think they help. Body that.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Frescalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Frescalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
Chop money near, printers near, Pedro Bagot, Yannick, when he man, Venus out to me,
Shabo is making the Fridays. Looks like a Wednesday, right? So if I actually put the Friday fast forward to Wednesday, that's right. Obian can't show so Alright, so midweek edition of Adwuma 93.3 of one thing I love about Shabo is that guy knows music. Trust me. Alright, so super selection right from DJ Shabo. And we hear 93.3 of Adwuma with the full Wednesday morning.
Someone please call 999. Someone get the ambulance.
Cause I'm ready now. Oi.
Someone please
Call 911. Cause I'm ready now. Someone please get the ambulance. Woo! I'm bending up. I'm bending up. Hey, I'm bending up. I'm bending up. That's right. So 10:05 after 10, we see a higher Hinkai 93.3 of FM. Adwuma was a good so the midweek edition. And you know already, we're here to give you good music whilst you are working. So wherever you are this morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope you all doing good. That's right. Hey, hey. Yama obi a chibio. Afia mo obi a kwaba. Afambra Hinkai 93.3 FM. Your friend me Jenny me champon bo aten Cosmos friend me Bruce Money. And I say friend me Kwabena Costy. And they will call that many me producers. And I bet to see a best as usual. Sending your bone home by now bone with there. I would trim you then I would trim the edge man. And then so as I bet translate on the super duper branch time show here on a Hinkai 93.3 FM. So of course you are the Padumas DJ Shabo now here about on social media. I come home see a best from now to 12 p.m. Baby, I will be able to watch you. Some of Kwaba at the one Hinkai FM. Watch out with the taxi room, with the trot room, with the office, with the provision store. Now, baby, I will be out with your Hinkai piano. Mommy Boza. That's right. Some motivational message. I'm sending a debiano. The motivational message in the band, we can't send back to be true. Send your way out. You wait to me a proper jail. I wait to me a show and go to you with it. And you know, success is walking from failure to failure with no loss of enthusiasm. Walking from failure to failure with no loss of enthusiasm, that is what we call success. So if you want to succeed, you need to work from failure to failure. 93.3, I am on your radio. Check mic 1 2 1 2. Hey, Abba, the Wednesday, and we here, Charlie. The weekend has started already. Can't get to see DJ Shabu. Super DJ, super DJ. What? Woo! Say. Hey. Okay, so make a check. Say my headset they come properly. Okay, here they come. Make a check the right one. And they can't rap with that too. Hey, check. Okay, eko A ya home, yako B ya home, yako C ya home, Hey, see. Alright, so let's get interactive at our social media platforms. Send in your messages, and I'll be more than glad to read them. 93.3. If you speak English, how are you doing? If you speak Gantete, if you speak F1, if you speak Brekume Poiteme, if you speak Awaza Yade, if you speak Fra Laone, if you speak Grushi Kwete, if you speak in the Mancordie, if you speak Fanti or Tideng, and if you speak Key, me pa chopa, me sere wo hote sing. And if you speak Swahili, habari yako. Eye kwa pimu ni me pa cho wo hote den. Me pa cho se wo hote den. Bibia ya bokwa. Ana uside na nya fanti ho. Super excited to be on radio every morning. I tell you no lie. Good morning to Brad David. Good morning to you, Staga 1. Apasco, Rauf, Akoma Tanko, taxi driver, MP3, Ricardo, Obofo Michael, Bright Weezy. That's right. Oba Tampa, Jonah. See. And also to you, man, like Obama. These are my super duper taxi drivers. I don't joke authorities. These guys are super amazing. So big shouts to you. Hey. This year, Shami home. I tell you no lie. Shami home. And it's all flashing me out. My friend. Hey. Right, stay tuned, 93.3. Let's do good music, crank music here at your super duper radio station. Your number one branch time show. Adwuma. From Kwabena Costy. Your host with the most. Let's go.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
If you wanna get with me, baby, we could ride or die. If you wanna party with me, baby, we could slide. Say now what you can was so open and me and no. And to grab if I would up on me, don't know. OJ.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
You know the name, right? Yeah. OJ.
Menya life be, new move be, sexy girl be, it's a new groove be, shiny shoe be, and then it dance be, your friend Ruby watching the sexy pants be. Chale what say? I said to now berry, Chale what say? Maybe sanamati, Emasem dia mi krem, dia mo yero ma fem, emetra me hu ehia ma di dia dem. Abi you know that the biggie boy lover. If I catch you lay, you know say no gama like be. I for take a lab be. Ya see a maybe, e busu o baby.
Radio papa.
Tell what Menya like be. I for take a lab be. Ya see a maybe, e busu o baby. Tell what ASEM. I'm looking for some good girls gone wild. Mr. Girl be on the body, be my waka how. Mr. Girl be on the body child. Pigga, wow. Menya like be your friend of Mandy. Mission the Pentagon, so what the Ivandi? Moshe will bear knee, and then the eyebrows. The body near Daya and Kabaya nice house. So call your girls and let me call.
Joe, Charlie Radio, so I tasty. It's a mix of Kwabena Costy. I want a Henkai FM 93.3.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
You make me wanna rearrange the alphabets so I could put you next to letter I. Take my heart, baby, carry go. If you leave me, baby, I go die. Netunda sunni sisi kete. Okambro footy trina no ye risi. Nisi mujira smile siri. Open it once a minute no chili. Hey, me baby ni brownie, yeah. Golden tree chocolate, yeah.
And on this note, I can confidently say DJ Shabo is the best young DJ here in Akemoda. I tell you no lie. What? Hey, my own.
Like the air and the feeling for everywhere I did.
Hey, my own.
See the money, baby, come chop 'em for me. And I've been saying, Ghana, what's up in here?
What's up in me? Other my lonely number, chat to me. Chat to me, girl. Yeah. Later make I carry you. Champagne and I want the money move. And then dinner eating just for two. Me that one I will dump it in baby. Hey, my own.
That time of the chase and
no money day. My own.
See my heart back push it up.
I the ground for my kenke. My own.
Like the air and the feeling for
everywhere I day. My own.
See the money, baby, come chop 'em for me.
Kete. On camera footy clean, I know you're risi. Hey, you see what dress my siri. On penny one salmon in the chili. Me baby ni brownie, yeah. Golden sea chocolate, yeah. Me chow toli, yeah.
Each and every day.
have a blessed day.
You know the name, right? Flash me fro, and your cup when I make a say flash me fro, and your cup when I make a say flash me fro. When you talk, shaky khaki. When you bien for Joe shaky hanky. Make you come see stone at the wrong keys. Countries, boundaries, I was broken. Yeah, you know the name, right?
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Frescalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
You know the name, right? See, she got me wondering if she was the only girl that was made for me. Yeah, I'm the kind of guy that loves to love the woman, but she's the one I'm going.
Me pacho Yapon.
Yeah, I'm the end.
Yapon.
Sing it ass, girl, I'm
No, on the more serious note, my pon. And I say you get this guy out of the studio, please. What?
I go show you. Oh, yes.
Wakasa uni or say it's my one I do show. So fun.
LOCK. Make to a dribble. Fremana we
got. Do this super good, Charlie. Trust me. Rejoice if you have a good morning. I want to say.
It's my 2-2. Alright,
93.3 of it. We say Abisha Buchamini. Abisha Buchamini. I'm in your motivational message. It's a Wednesday. It's not a Friday. It's a Wednesday. Midweek edition of Adwuma right here on 93.3. It's a Wednesday. Shabo, they make the atmosphere looks as if it's a Friday already. Alright, Kala Studios and Negative Road, so yeah, bro. Our daily dose of motivations, our daily dose of vim. And to say wedding photography, birthday photographies, studio picture framing, passport picture, and then you watch a focus in Kala Studio and Negative Road. A man embroidery working, so I have t-shirt embroidery, Lacoste embroidery, cap embroidery, face starry embroidery. In fact, digital embroidery, you need that whole at the air corner, the fair. Color Studios and digital embroidery. Watching what that Opseats, Liberty Transport, and that's a Kindle Pharmacy. And I'll be home. 0245276638. 0245276638. Now I feel afraid colors now. I'm gonna sort it out. Now, Chroma photography. The honor. Son of Hokoyano Montayo, even travel some mind. As we want to our daily dose of motivation. And I'm another day free. I brought to be a friend Henry Ford. I see the whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do, and then you do it. I see the whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do, and then you do it. Abraba yebo nyina secret e wo ana se ehintade ba ko e wo mu se wo de be successful ne say obehu o purpose o destiny o botai potinti a wo ba asase zo na waso ade kro ne mu na waye ne ye sa ade kro no e na be ma wo tumpon ana be ma wo di ye ete hinta semba ko wa se tran mu ana brabo ni mu se ubehu na nti a ba asase so obi wo hono ma naturally no ebi ayen fa oba bi nye example e oba bi wo hono ma onkosu ya hairdressing da ba obeti ma che wa trans aboti fine so bi an chere no onsion oba bia obetumi abone yie pan ya ma wo ene chese sa ni pan no ne shebre ana se the destiny of the bass is you any new but on fire no serious. Now for you say okope police aye, okope immigration aye, okope soldier aye, okope nurse ako. Obeto form sa to ayemfa no. Now for the question the fearful, and I'm fearful. Now for na masofu for so no empire ni anointing wa ya hodo. There's a sadi pana mekanazemi. Obetimi aboti kama pa. Wadeshan say na adwen enko sa hintade we so. Enti onam no obre. Onam no to form o sesi kakeke. Neso sen ko ma na adwen akoso yie pa. Abotre ya. Obegbo achen wo mo mashada akosua na 3 years. Apesike good boto mabobra pa. Neso da bi. Ye won kwala bi su wo hono ma. Me wo me wafase ba ko bi wo. Na yenim so nyi obejai dia. Obetumi di radio ato ho obetutu. Obesei no, obetahye ne kama ebebo. Ti se na afford to be anyway. And the TV remote, I just said in Sanka. Obetu hu ade kura wo remote no man to me one and hakoda one. Or we obasha shedding neat amount. Who put in Saka? We are collaborating the Shabre new. So by engineer. The Shabre new pass. And no man say obey the speakers in the idea. Obey the everywhere fear higher. Billy. To two machines in here go for no as share the camera. We only nan can make us Uncle Pet Doctor Binya, Simon Kabili, Kuni Pabaya 3 million. That's a share. Keyboard, yeah, boy, organ, yeah. Billy bet to 2 Missy organ, put as a transmit Tayankasa, see them will transmit Billy bet to 2 the year go form as I share. Now, radio now, Sababi. We Billy Koya Doctor. Understand, yes, season the license. It's be patch on. So person we successful. Secret na am the man who but tie into our boss as so. Obi wo ho no ma on call teacher training da. Dem send you betimi a kire obi ade ma na te ase no. Who ma COVID da grant mi kire ase sa. Esani pay ya no oja de ade kire to ba bi. Oso beso koya banka. Afo obekọ na afedi wa bokasa na wakọ ya banka. Na police for tata no so leo the fear for na ya no fear for bi anya o. Obuta de ba sa se oja to ba bi na akoyo obi de. E ba nsa problem nko a. Ya won kofo bi wo hono so a. Obi antre ne ka adwi. Eso no a hu ka adwi. Osu koye taxi driver wati. Na koye tro driver. Ahwea ka akra akona kotwi. E wo shebre no. Mendi nkofo echi nkase na menua no ko school ntimi so mi kobi. Ye won nkofo ho mutimi yiti pa. O na se ye wo school na boys bebre na yi an etima ye ho. Boys ya na ya na echichi ye ho na yi ye ho tini ade a. Me wadan fo bi wo ha na nkasa wa ne baba saloon. Kase pan wadan so ma. Right after SHS one kase na me classmate for eco unit mi so me kobi. What discover ne destiny. When we say adie be mama ye. And na me no kasa no obi ne baba saloon kase pan wadan so ma. Ah, we say o hwe na obi ba ko so spinters na fe. O be so o trek just akra ye count young babas a. I say ye can count. And the guy na show schedule roll. And senye de bia. And na school, and na ma school na. Asa nya nko anu akona degree de fie. The bread degree de fie. Omo fa anya hwe. Esra wo fo amutie me. Se oba ni fie ase se oye bibi. Oba ni fie ase se obobo a. Be say by this time ka samoja nchemi na je so wache me. Na je se onim baka na ono onim sache me. Me grandmother ka je me so ma me bobo ampa ma bobo. So me prayer striker jai. Me shego sa. Ahinka ti una me jai bontia. Anka next time ka ye ahinka next game ka mo mahwe. Ahinka ti una me jai bo. Place what team no nya na pu. I just say I can't team no yi adwempa free ma. Player bi anye player, obi anye player o team no. Omunya goalkeepers nko a. And I'm so na me mbo team bi emi. My grandma ni my late grandfather. Maybe I made a shada kese come on. I'm discover Saturday very early. It's I am uncle for cause me quiet. I have a catch up say because I'm a talkative for me. I'm a shy type though, but I'm a talkative keke. Me na number man my late grandfather. If you hear din ano busade oni fia na. Me wo fie pa if you hear din obo agra. Aje se me bie. Ana aje mada. Ana aje se me didi. Pa sa me to amenya hwe no ma ye din. Menu mbebon menye. Ene ne me na me de tia me de kasa yi. Makasa san fitim ngola remza. Membre. The chopper so successful. I was say with me defining and I said with me discover with destiny in them. Na say one sa and I say uhu adekra. Obo tie nti abasa asiso a. Man twe hu free nko bibi foforo. Fa sa kwan na so. Be ma woyeye. Mpabo na ni mpama. Pam ni ye. Pam ni ye pa we dey madam fu bi nana. SDF fu etie minimum branch ameka na say ye fe nana. Nana Japan. Oko akis ise mo mabodi no mbehu ni bakra meka na asemi chawo guy we mpabo a no opam no otumi koto bag on leather bag no atete bag no na wakopɛ mpabo ase ni bi ni ade no man be 1 day or roughly 2 days obeye mpabo abro pan on pabo obeye ma on so no ye mpabo ma ye ne hye wa SDA ho na boys 24 one day na ne papa say wo se me di kokumase na okosua se ne yempabo a me ka shoe ene shoe anana ya on shoe jai shoe oya pa obebuza ofri kroma ya oda ya oya SDA boy SDA na na Japan ye friend obi a onim SDA bi anim ni ameka na se and say who destiny in tema who botai o purpose of coming to this life in tema Mr. I want to one am na when di here no fa blame and come out fearful that's say na me fearful na me fearful nya hwe so being pharmaceutical limited say kopel lufat ni bito lufat malaria drug betu a share the amount of face your entramol no a treaty menstrual pain and a headache tipai tooth pain back pains ni ade nyina entramol after your cough relief cold relief and your cough for be your branch kesi upon wasaman kesi Eastern region poor man temaya old education dino any Republic Bank any dish anymore or wana be who so Bingo Pharmaceutical currently the leading pharmaceutical marketing and distributing company in Ghana and it's running in a Food and Drugs Authority Ajatu Asanya here. Prayer was 0544 296939 0544 Yendronina Apabene the Shaka Oba Center, one of the producers of Best Man capsules. One of the Mehmed Rubber Best Man capsules a two-way pain, sexual weakness, premature ejaculation, and a low sperm count. Me pacho compare because here, mema amutie mi samre compare ye Best Man capsules ni bito. Then two a low sperm count na say. Now to timia bema na watching swedro for ko bosome pharmacy. That can chemical ho nyina beni biato. Achimo dan ha de drugstore bia pharmacy bia kwa benya biato. The stress over 0244966043 and 0208288099. Best Man capsules. Beji o merima ye edi. Nakopon aya do my first apple ya. Achem Abo Royals Association. Never cho wo mo se yan kan bom na yen siesie. Ye there background so. Ye be twa ho paint. Na baby, I was say a tour and I say a you be here messing for you months on. Yeah, wants to come upon. And it's messing for carpenter for. And our mom will be 2 Muhammad. Michelle Liberation. Mombrana Mombebo, my face, me my dear backgrounds, then your corner, then your friend, then your crab shenzo. You did my way on the 1st of April. And I said, so say, yeah, did you see cabin? Not yet, and you know, wow, she are the end yet. But you watch my book room, Hannah, baby, I will be a part of Achem Abuabo Royals Association. The Sra said your contributions never call 0553 715406 0553 715406. Pianin tem one jay be home. I send a point sister you won't as once you were better hand or now when challenge. Fair up, very well. Pianin terms is your property. My try on 93.3 me was here.
Ghana Kuyafwe, Adama West Africa, Adwuma, Adama West Africa, a agrochemical company, what Israel. Now, what Nasia human who say, a Kuyafwe Tom Nebia, infuriate me Jim Funina at the bosso, Nititu any esre, say esre Najua Fua Bossodia, and an American for a Jill at the amount. Would you know maybe to say, Nkruma, tomatoes, Nyadua, watermelon, Meko, Ayoyo, Anafe, Abroba, Abra, esre Nefifi fra Ebano, if you Agil, no first spray, esre Swanson, wet to a quakutim, and as I would wet him per now the Agil, a spray, esre Ninaso, Shannon, Mema. Esreni nyibebre ansa na de agile akwaku spray so de hia se obehwe 10 tomatoes eketo ano no ahye ba kopedi egu kafukafu afidie yimu na do ensuo 15 liters afra wo de spray pe wawie wadwuma se wo de agile spray wafu ase a emma enhireni a wo no ban na agu no entingu eno achi no ekuefo mo nso dua bibi ti se beans enkate ana fe so ya beans no mo nso hwehwe vezil ekunfue na se prekope edi free sa no be ye ase de se wo ye nie unya hu se enfue na hyase e bape hwehwe vezil na first spray na se wo de spray so pe ubetu enfue na se nyina wo to vezil a betimi de spray wafu na se empre nwotwe eno kure anso spray 1.5 acres eya no afa 30 mils ana se obesusu atre ye dididie no miensa na wo de nsuo 15 liters afra benya bia to ewo agrochemical shop bia eben wo Ghana fa na nyina ana se wo befre 0544 325 030 ana 0270 575 030 Adama West Africa Ghana Kuyafo ye jimudi
Anobites duro bi ana misisi pa ya me yaye enso me no anobites no aboa me
adono manumbi na me to ase ntini mu na na etwetwe me pa na mu hwehwe me se de nyame adom nyina ejan
madrono aboa me papa na me ne me rekompoma enduru 1 minute na me ho aba me nom 1 bottle sisi me ne yire da be 30 minutes nti madrono de eye pa san fabra mo
me din de ya mesa e to anobites ekono me ne ka so aboa me pa na misisi na ya me ya na beto no mo ye eno ame no mo ye ekọ bibia akọ kama de se me tim bo adwuma yi
ya frɛ me Abdul Jalil Shaibu na me wo haw bi a eye se me ne me yere ehia mu a sisi a na me ho asani me e ma me tumrika ekoto obi me no mo ye no yare no akọ
asa no bi se ne de do pa a se sisi ye ne ya to ya nso me no me ni nyina akọ me ka kre wo bi o no ma no bi se ne ya do papa e be boa na ma ne yare bi e wo ya
ano heba bitters and ano heba capsules enure ukoto bi atoni mienu ebom ubanya bi ato ewo atemoda ha ochini ba drugstore na Ghana ha drugstore bia heba shop bia ubanya bi ato no bitters sapano ano bitters sapano
manyama de ma bibes wa mi so
say dear me fear higher dem me kuna your best man
say dear mania jampa esa ne best man capsules amensa no enua hini haba mani nduta papa bi ene dia ye best man capsule enti free neko best man capsules enti emema nyina ye free say yes sisi yade
your best man capsule
say bema wa ho ade abafo ana wanya premature ejaculation
best man
say your low sperm count ana bema ontime nyuso yi prostate cancer ana syphilis ne gonorrhea enam yare bia
oh best man
ne testicular cancer and penile cancer best man capsules to asiesia enti member ye free best man capsules do papa is Chad Herbal Center Omuosuhum Hansa Street and the best man capsules abadwaso enti we ye bema entra ho ma yade mu bia eni unyada obo adwuma ama wo yama wo said ya medie eji miswe ubanya bia to e wo ba bia to nro bia
Ekoko Owuskobi Pharmacy BB Chemicals Ebenezer Chemical Shop Hillside Pharmacy Fab Drugstore
Empire so ASM Pharmacy Enyinam Aboko Drugstore Achimoda LB Amuafu
Ochiniba Drugstore Amuafu Drugstore Tumesi Drugstore Kennedy Drugstore Kofisco Drugstore Anafi Always Drugstore Kade Martin Kumi Drugstore New Abrim Hotness Chemical Shop
Koforidia Gapsin Pharmacy and Delight Pharmacy Accra Case Walk Heba Kumasi Kolina Heba
and now to phone friend 020-8288-099 Best Man Capsules you marry my head.
Draw on the 2nd of April 2022. Golden City Park. Rap your Jesse with family.
Akimoda and Amosa Deneko. Family in Yankoponya Adwuma on the 2nd of April. Rap your Jesse. Golden City Park. Family may rap life. Watch out. Blessings from the Most High. Trust.
Sada no brabesha was one number swap. Girls, boys, sisters, brothers. Yesham Ewo Golden City Park. And Brian Ghana's number 1. Family and party big time park. Rap your Jesse. Ben I was supporting. So Jesse for your family and party big time park. Mom Kaina Shannon so you're free. I mean, won't you ask Kabia? You're free. And so Jessica, Yesham Golden City Park. DJ Rich Boy and you're back to MCs. The hitman and I feel microphone go. And to tell a friend say on the 2nd of April 2022, Golden City Park. And one day boss you rap your Jesse. This event is sponsored by Wambe 77 and V8 Liquor. For information, call 0244 668288.
Now bam peble yo ne nam he na o sha sra fo atade
eh obabra me se me ho kra adwure me eh yesu bi obi di ho adanse kire me o enene asesa me baya brabo yi se wa twere wasin so hwe ya twere na se wuntwa bomodi na kopie mu o
eh na suku ben kwa no
eh Great Omega Academy Great Omega Academy a na kiri kwa no wo ko forudua kokrantumi apue mantamu he ya
sa epue mantem he ya number da ben
obabra me se suku yi e ba ye enyene se ye wo na ututwa so nko adia wo twere so hwe a utwa omoye courses ni bi ti say general arts, visual arts, business, home economics, general science and afi technical baby a obeda so podie e mane nyi wadwendwe suku no hostel kese e won mo dia masuafo
unia ene fa me ko hono men
ewra ji pani kwa kirefo ni number na friend naji mu nkiremu e 0243 21 4720 and 0543 90 9502. Great Omega Academy. Impossible is possible.
Hey. When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow any offense wabeka.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa who run Nipa and Yina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing no, a boy a home buying every home. And now one pa, one Yarwana dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are dimpinti. Ya woman timpose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk kanshi, and you may move bia your toe in row. At to form fresh 0246 208496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no adrono, and Kratway FDA. Asayasi.
Mido, asa na de fia e hwampao.
Ha, eya ban 20 enama efia ehwehwe hwamsano.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eya JA Binding and Co Limited. En wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ne se bebre.
Niema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne nansen kwada nyoma ne ate se wan. Eya parazo enu ana me de sie.
Mido, me fan fitira apoto bi de ni na afro. Na dia ba de na ahohura potobidi isi
eya kasha no a na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia papepata asusu nyina so atese wan no
nansen awowoni nyina mpayila uhu awowo bia wo fie ha bi
medeta wo eya JA Binding snake reparent na me de atu o masesa no
enu omo wo niema papa
ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amedem a wahoro won sai uhu ana ai enu aso na me de wohoro ncha si mu nyina da
ene we die medi adanse a kira mansan fa no mo wo
ban womunioma no ubenya biato wakuma setakra de tamale ho sunyane nkokọ wabuase boga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye se wo peni do so pomatua ubenya bi ewo kasoa Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie.
Ma me number no, na mfa nkoma ko nyima. No no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643.
Me dofo, na nso omudi ni body say.
Eye JA Binding and Call Limited.
Ja, me drew ho sesia.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl Friscalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy. Hello, Ghana. This is your girl Friscalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
Lord Kenya, Masalande, Motumins Kane, Makofa Fred Braka, I fed the boss that from Motimika, Naya Bibi, my bad show, Puyaka, Anokwa, Wamu Tokwa, Disappointed Tokwa, Yapaja Costo, Kokabi Posto, Yajamu Boko, Mayamu Pony, I, or don't put me for bombing Coco, Miss Amina Biam, Kotajagu Fom, and Saddam Sayam, Mani Munisio, that's your mouth was it, Mako for facing your Kanakasi, Obayamu, a massive kitty, and to Tiamu, Obi this year, Manu Makodia, a saying, Satamania Saba, or one of your Madia, Mido, we are saying, my thing, none of your Mamushia, or Krebu Bessia, Mido Homa, or Krea, Bra, Namajan to my home, Batia, or Dokon your door, and Mamma Yamabo, I read to Tray, Tomipaho, Sweetie Pie, a 7 hour, Mayanka, Memba, and you say, ye pechai, or be your big bra, Boko Boko Boko, 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 pinche me, na me kasa wo so, me nyeche wo so, me shisha wo bo, na wo se me do seto, wo se me hu wan e to me so. So what I make pimpa there, what's on your punch out there? Meet me the most of Koya one there. Do you have a BP and a bush up my jeopardy? Viso what there was out you who in a way. One way, who be against the one in Mary. And up, and we are, and you may way. When we are 777, and no quite in a yammy to say, where you may away. What do you know? Say, Jam, what you know, woman, you call. Also, we are not back, Shammy. I mean, you were so sha. Let it more da. Martin, would you actually make a stop time? Casa, me, give it in time. Yeah, we are back time. Me know you need to buy your back time.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl Friscalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
So when if Jessica, another rich, papa, you was Castle Bruno, watch your fear for pepper, and your blocks in your bricks, or be right fear or say more things. Holidays, they call on the US and as a Swiss, Pakum, Poppy, or Jaguar, any best, was Kenny by my from, I pay, and your master, your fear, your cast, your man in Ashi, and any child can't chinaku, or mo, Nana, Pia, Majum, ye. Sakaya Jamwa, Abba, or anybody tell him what you see. Jamu to a CSWA, the California would chance in the year. I was just that wine, Chicago, if you have your own secret. No crap, what to the pocket. Sakaya Jamwa, Sakaya Jamwa, a brownie goes slow to say, my tactics for him. Sakaya Jamwa, Abba, or anybody tell him what you see. The crap, what to the pocket.
There's a man in free, me brands and lady, me who said, me bengazi, no seek any papa, no brand me, yes, me who me.
My whole people burning out, I swear, between family to put in a family, Sabotage of running with Yako, Sound Brian, can't, but they be my busy. What I do, they like go banner with Tiribo, may fossil, may hala, and yes, I'm me sound come and when you wait because go.
Hadi the support to the pick. Yeah, requirement yes, you can put them a clinic. None of them know just magic. Fun guy, no difference.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Clacking, I make it dropping, hip hopping, flip flopping. Me a very notorious, curious when it comes to body language. If you feel it, it grasps it, and that's a privilege. I'm still trying to grab some knowledge out of Cali. So when it comes to books, I still got the hooks. And when it comes to sexy features, I got the looks. So maybe you will take some little steps with me. Love me for who I be, and not my money will go take lessons from 90, boom, boom, 90, 91. Come sit up.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Kuna dignity achi atrema yeah rafa ya say kwadu mi katrom abrafu dignity mumpini machi yeah nyobi ne kumanki buesi akuna dignity achi atrema yeah rafa ya say kwadu mi katrom rafa me chechiam Minyum, a real ram. For all my people, this time I go. Matwapeti, J, Mini, Asemno, Tofa, Marie, your see we set my room, only a see me Buno, JJ, and see at the end, or Sani Pie, Sanwachi, Kobisa, Kitche, Misikan Wopo, and young Contomre, and Kanka, Yen Sami, Hunko Pemre, no. Cremon, meaning a fee, Frama, thought of a fee, Shokoto, Papi, I go on it from Opa to me perfume, portrait, Miss Sambo Sambo, my team free, ten trade. Hey, I branch, yeah.
The great beat.
Yeah, and yes, I'm a penantie, Jetta, mini B. Yeah, and yes, I'm a pepper. Sigaya mini bi, yeah, and I may pass a man and
somebody call the popo, me winning lotto. Say me I don't know, me yana, my yani don't know. Call the popo, me winning lotto. Say me I don't know, me yana, my yani don't know. Baby you thinking for you for days. Woo woo, I just want to say, my head, you there for my head. I know fit to reset, I know fit to connect. Waiting there, your back, say make a defend. I know fit to defend, even if I play defense. Yeah. I won't comport myself, I can't. I fall for you down flat. I fall for you down flat, yo. Go go. Now who no know you bad. I swear you bad. I swear you bad.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Right, so the midweek edition of Adwuma right here on 93.3 of music.
I see your face
from Kevin Boy.
Ooh,
down flat.
Oh my days. I've been out here.
I make a message, Kakra, now for
I just want.
And then Wednesday, every lifestyle segment. And then my mouth tapes on how to look elegant and classy always.
I know fit connect.
Right, so good morning, Kwabena Costy, Abranti, the perfect gentleman. How far? Today is my champion uncle's birthday, so please help me wish.
I won't comport myself.
Wafa Esuo, aka your boy Siki, a happy birthday. May Almighty God bless him for me in Jesus' name.
I swear I swear.
I send you for you now in Bakope. I chama send at that year street. Alright, so super. I said for you anymore to say. Chia Salum the Gambia, mommy.
Something wicked there for your body now.
No.
I did for the mountain waiting for so long.
Hi, Gavin boy. Akoyaza.
My head, you there for my head. I know fit to reset. I know fit to connect. Waiting there, your back, say make
Fagasti from SDSS. Good morning, bro.
Even if I play,
God bless you. Good job. Happy birthday in advance to Ankoma Gabriel. And I've been say happy birthday, BM. Happy birthday in advance. Yes, Ankoma Junior sister, Ankoma Benedicta. And Ankoma Gabriel and Ankoma Benedicta. Happy birthday in advance. Ankoma Mumi Nina. In Shraba Aneka, say I'm watching you live from Ashiaman, and greetings to Odenehon Kweku Apia, aka Koka, and Commander Prince Obin, aka Garu. Coleman Sam Pillar 2 says I'm watching you live from Domain Pillar 2 mid morning, Papa. Regards to Professor Christopher Ameyao Ekunfi. And Mr. Boachi Ejakon, former energy minister by Coleman and Pillar 2. Perpetual Labby says, keep up the good work, bro. I'm watching you live from Accra. Alright, met me on lifestyle segments. Makacho say and then on my barber show. How to look elegant and classy. What's your say? Right, in the meantime, no, in boost elbow make sure. Make sure your number one immune booster that helps your immune system to fight against and correct all manners of disease. And to be part of Copebitosis here, Pharmacy be our say your mouth police in your drone be. They boost the immune system on our one papa. Now what you mean, boy, Juma, the cover Juma, so aquaba, 02462089. Sorry, 0246208496. 0246208496 and 0540710113. Good morning, Kwabena Costy. Hope you are doing great. A long time no see, bro. Elliot, inside of that. What do you say, Andra? Within the symmetry. Elliot. Just yesterday, no, then I did think about you. Say, hey, this guy see and keep. We are signed here of keep. Bro, I hope you good. Andra, yeah. Baby, I will call there. Me tongue catch your papa. And I'm saying who watch it. Of late, me bad and how free one. No watch you, Elliot. I hope you are doing good. Alright, so thank God for your life. And good to hear from you again. Fixed man capsules. Bema usisi mwayemre. Bema untumi mba Adwuma. Bema wanga sauti mi use hebi. Adwuma no enso ani no gas ni dia na edi usika sa. Secret in am dia ma no. Fixed man capsules. Kope bi to sisi a bobi. Anopa wi anwumre wo dia bobi bo ya bobo san nensa. Ese wi a afisa hye match ni bi. Ono abe hu se. Fixed man capsules. Deme bianco pebinto. Atopa hi ko livi. Wano no fixed man capsules na. Sunday and San was a match. And I'm so much of my name basso. And I'm sure that I called in chain with you. What's not home come whom in the one come out to Papa saw Pama or Boa Messimenco. At to pack Casa didn't come out for the who say, I son the baby, and boy chamiso. I send you no academy. I send you no academy, Michelle Coco Comicoshaya. Obina Bay. Se min kwen nen coach na ebusia me shede wa manu gbanyum 10:30 and a match they say match na say yo masa to point here match one no fix man kwa o fan trans no fan solo no fan trumika and be boa so sisi mu yam no so no fix man. And your match and one was one fix man. It's no say match number so I own wedru. And your she. When you say me drink on sao, I drink on pan. The show malaria, fever, headache, dizziness, was where you fix mala mixture. Fix mala mixture. Pebito you will fix our bella ointment so where mask and rashes, foot rods and heat rashes. A chimana chroma called both chemical. Or Grace Pharmacy, Amwafo. Or Chiniba. Maybe I offer 0205-88500. And I saw concurrence so the answers are then Takataman so fix about for or company no honor offer 0208-444442 and 0302-090-71. ODI Electronics. Open TV. Fridge, gas cooker, nebo full, nebo da form. If I chop brass is here, na pebito. 0550900600. 0550900600. Mami fa onko amaje ba clinic. Odofo bi, unue bi, wankasa, unipa bi. Ya ret ne papa. Ya renti wakafa akon. Ya renti wa yabasa. Me pa chofa ne ko magie ba clinic anope ya. Na omuntu ya renase. Infertility, typhoid, ulcer, syphilis, hypertension, menstrual problem, kidney problem, diabetes, gonorrhea. Then na the ko magie obetu ase. Fish or quantum detector. And our face was sans water modern scanner machine. What is scanning liver no kidney no now for there was scanning biano who be I read it biano no shama. And take to me kasi si ana ko amaje ba clinic afa wo se ya rena no waden a untumi ma ya so ya prayer ni yanka sai beba the doctor Aisha money wo ma kan nyina beba afa ya sa ya re prayer was 0248778840 na 0205045665 you were Red Cross Junction opposite Evergreen Gas Filling Station. Mr. Tamakro no pay want to say. Mr. Tamakro. Oni Muzuzu ni Solomoni. In fact, boys never hung na. I gbe money at the end na. Which abunya. Right, you call your lifestyle segment in this one. Let me share with you some tips on how to look elegant and classic. Always, kamika sexy, David. Classic or classy. So make I give you tips, yeah.
Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Right. And so we will be sometimes. Pia Bontia. Be a wardrobe one, I'll be a closet to my say, yea, me shut down. Now, who the hour your horn, I was say, hey, what should I do? Right, so I got some tips for you. And this star guide will teach you how to dress classy and elegant. So. And now, my point number one. If you want to look classy and elegant every day, every morning, always. Point number one. Wear neutral colors like black, white, and beige. When we say white attire there. Angasa over the dance, sometimes we share white pan feel say I need them at Seattle so and then they my neat and then my camera and sometimes I will share black in so sometimes we share black and so one as I feel say why a camera or black or ball black pan. But there was this perception in Ghana here. So Bishop Black, I see when you but when you're black, and you're young one is black. Me have me black shepherd, but me black. Nam me and also an a boy my look classy. Unze. I mean you are on point. The ball black shirts or black try now be a what Joe Batty be. And our Air Force be, Air Max be. Some classy sneaker be. Those are very nice. One starting say you're on point. Our friends wear clothes in solid colors. Men shirt idea a white, but white. And your white as a brown kakra. Men casa sing the but about the Sawanga crowd and chrome crowd or confidence level in the crowd form. As I watch the brew brains, no one has our confidence level in our form. A white, a black, and yeah, and coffee will more black, it's me than the brown. Say a pow, say the new Mr. Santa, the one as our showers, so now, crew, I won't feel okay. I also say we are seeing the penny show. The sober shatadia wear clothes in solid colors. Shatadia who say what shatadia. Ona ma utrim your day. One says what dress come upon when I'm chroma. One night some sort of energy be some enthusiasm spirit to be show more who say eh na there matiatoso. But then far when I show what chawan kakra atadi ne kola yi asabaja atadi debi. Also wear matching colors. Wear matching colors. Where they who hear me papa. One more share me on Facebook you be say. And atadi e share me no green room, brown room, and a coffee colors room. Sami solo nyina na ahwa be say me trousers na share me so no e khaki. Eti ubenya me trousers ne color ni bi atadi na share me mu. Me the theater so my matching neat. And I share my sheni one share so and man shen radi no. The machine so be hu and so be color kakra. Oh atadi no mu and I feel my son so ube hu say name watch na bom no so ko. My share matching colors. And also I'm in chroma I walk with my chest up and my head up. When me trim me the say my theater so. I say. Well matching colors. Man shot to pan he the NB. At to pan share Ghana colors not in them chrome. I mean I don't feel saying. Or shut up red. Now wash trousers yellow. Now wash shoe. There we. Or shut up on black on. Or shut up on the black. Now wash down yellow. Now wash the Gucci puff. Color beer not to pan us not in them chroma. Kalabia. No I say. At the point mission to my tad ye kama pa ye see Ghana man me. And yes so I am the sa kwani ko leave. Na ye be Ghana man ti. Na ye share Ghana man na ko wet me shot tad ye need to oh first day no share to my tad ye. Long sleeves come upon. Atade na atense na yellow bills visa. Tade na fa pa. Say yellow long sleeves be. No, or the question trousers blue. Now what Sasha in the desert in Pabuano? Is that the point now? We are and then granny. What the point? A day. After they come upon the trousers blue in the desert in Pabua. Hey, young person, Mister, I ask matching colors. I by force so be combination and then I hang of no obi one my by force say atade na hye no and I'm lipstick near red it na was say shoe red ube un say ube at the end of the day no why miserable ube say o dress na mfa esa na nkola point wo mama misro kaka motobi so nya kaka motobi o dress na wo luku te say kaka motobi never joke wear matching colors. Don't be like Atopan here or Timmy Shegana. Atopan Friday minim atade obeshe because say Friday na Nigeria and Ghana match no. Minim atade akwa ni beshe Friday. Ghana mbo match crowd dress Ghana flag na Ghana mbo match. And the dress akwa ni be ye okrom ha no. Right, so our next point, stick to neutral makeup and hair color. Stick to neutral makeup and hair color. Me pa just over your makeup na. If you am forward the be kakrebi. Na if you makeup so bo homu so ko bam if you ko hagi if you. Now she white shirt. Obete na na just if you was mental dey o. Family one day this is me hagi oba bia bia. Oh hagi o man makeup so mo dey sell on tade nyina if you am forward. Titru. Atade a mesha ba adwuma efita bia na efia sa atade do. Is am family one day. E ba cho makeup sin yesre mo ya mo nya ne kakra bi on nice bi ya. Lipstick no so kakra bi red. Then that me ho bi pa wo NI bi pa. Ni makeups no. Wasaka na no green. And no the black beams na sister yi oba jisika na o babiti contest na dia granny. Bibi sa dem me dem anu be kan misuro sa anyoma no. esa se uhura me kwada na gyenya me nso sa me twa me ntiase hwe ni make up pan na wig bi pom sister ube giska na ube hura e na we ba joya me nye nyoma mane mbroso obi timi dress pan na mbroso tese abroso professor will look classy and elegant simple now baby kakrevi now baby and you buy force from Monday to Friday you be suit you buy force Monday to Friday you be bo African wear and you buy force say we dress chin ka uni me bi wo krampa obi any wardrobe man tade be 6 pe de wo mu ba sani obe shat tade no obe ka say e bia ne tade do so ama but this one say oluku like simple bibi kakra bi obe ne hu bi e fata no ntino onko e bibi chin bia ne tade nsia 6 pe no sani ode be dress ya man no be hu say hey ono ta ona mkroma ni trim cry ne de chin wa wakọ hyehyɛ ntade agudie ebi mu su chain pan de ajayo man say am me call asani Golden City pa bi me coffee crack oda na show obi chain pan ze ne yede man ponchi no wasire mu ni bi ni chese chain akese ebi so hyehyɛ pantalon na ade ni mia no concrete aden but try address is simple and by force un dressing chrobia simple now baby. And my last point, make sure your underwears are clean and they are very necessary pan obi beti me address pan obi bo spray akese ba sabi obi tit scent kitu abi won ho scent no bebre na ya omo boxer ni omo underwear ni mu na se me mo I am poor go be me boy obi usi onim se obi wa ne boxers wa share be 3 days and ti scent kakra be and you upon ni suit na wa share be office one ni spray akese nya what scent kakra bi won ne boxer na obi wa ne socks wa share Monday Tuesday Wednesday Friday was ashe Saturday they on come bia on see o Sunday was ashe the same socks akọ transfer them nyakopon hira da wo sa ni pa no socks we do kosom nyame o ntie o mpa ye nimpo o friend kra wanje I see socks no see aba underwear no I see boxers no I see aka be ma de anya hwe wo boxers be 18 20 bi kra anya hwe na nka week on say 2 weeks 14 days right it is 2 weeks no na aka 6 we chiri shabo jizo we see the boxer no na wo zu boxer wo boxers be 20 ah wo sha 2 weeks na aka 6 we chiri na fe we see 2 weeks na no we see na 6 na aka no de no so atwa sa week no e be na ba 14 no na wo ye na wo de dada now the Monday same boxer, Tuesday same boxer, Wednesday same boxer. 100%. That's why arrow. E ma de meet me nchire because o menya sure so ba bi wo krom ha sebe oba she pint back there be. Menya sure so oba be she pint. O there oba be she 1 pound for 2 days. I'm not sure. Because oba be ma be ho no kra okosra obi kra extra pints won in the bag ni mu. Minimum about obesha point any day. But underwears not there. I can't confidently say bimu or underwear say bimu there black. It's obesha some point no but underwear need the answer that sister ebe bon kosi. Rona kosi. Aden. The last point in Besame stress who ye pan because who hear me. Madam for being a school time. You see a go dwale boo. Akwa hey. Ube hunu hostel pan ba hunu lectures my body pull there ube hunu o na kwe ro ni ya ro ya ho na ka ne boxer na the boxer na share na ya Ghana US flag white on US so boxers bi buy na US flag na white na go na dan brown wa shot there na che akwe be topu yi mu ya pan the cho colors make no for inside with the beg you gigi no to mo heart On say boxer na ya shit. On say what to a move free gas on how the scenes you man. On say sa kwa ne boxer na ya shit na shedi tinu. O ton so no ma o top man na pu na ye. And I any free mu. Na me say insuo at the moment what the ye tea be ye this you dey here ni so she. My advert am kwa me despite. I see box and kakra. See. Shabo stress am, shabo. Aden na stress. Because makani nya wan stress. Box and nko an dey stress. Untenzi. Okay. Careful catch them say. O see the boxer. Sada na Kwabena hospital. Careful. Una ni tifie me boa. How many times when we say what the boxers that? But when we saw how the boxers that? O testing your who the boxers that? Careful na me kan shawo na ka. What the shawo na tifie. O so we see your ma ba boxers pan your who that. Na me wa catch me that be woman be. You want me stop be one woman be the boxers ba hona. Boy, see Toby, careful catch us me yeah, me more boxers me and Sammy Toby can have a dose of me bag me ma. Hey, careful. Boxers trip na days they won't 7 days. O boxers here 3. Why are they? Pa careful. Can we show?
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Fine checkers here and come Simon. Me Simon. Me boss Simon. You know, after school on me abrophobia Adwuma on. Na me ni Simon and share the same room. It's me come box as same ya or share me Facebook or try message your home and Simon what the one ba. Hey! Simon. Me ana thought that me timi boa no makosia wan say Simon na dey open metal box am. Aya sa brofo ne be pamo. Me see am.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Frescalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
friend is my pop. I can take my shots up on Musso Body Pop. Miss me there, no see a wapping pop. Mikuta, master brain.
Alright, so 6 more minutes. For your free studio hago. I'm going to find Chaka CB man come Simon. Bro, good to know you are in tune. Simon. So, come make I tell you a story. But my medical in Chia and the driver and the friend of Mr. Michael. I see Omu Cruzy, I think Omu Round now. Omu Round now. You see, my only driver and Michiamo. Michiamo, I found the doors to be a patch of our bay. They will need you, I say. Bibia, so Bibia Shaboko. Now, Uber Druna Huna, Cordia, Uni Bibia. About 17 joke across. I just would have made 1,000 crying. Now, call my main story, which was Simo American Semyon. The Miria school from me, Koyabro, Fubijmana, Menino, near the Adiana, as my boss, now Miss Shanasi, as my boss. It's not many share the same apartment. Now, Oyobia, read the Mecca. You get money, like Oscar. You know, Mary, it will be on why review Oscar be your day. Or there be your day. Since you are worried, but first, no worry. It's our Matis and the wife was a work movie. Into my mammy can hear. First, no worry. No worry. Now, when you know so too, into as Debia and you may be say young class, sorry. Young CSC. Sana as I get you are sorry. The Bios here go CSC. I'm Kojano, me Koji get a fire. It's one day, we are now why and now town while saying call lunch near the end of the McCoy. Afrebano, whom finally you coco. As my boss, dear, don't make yourself here. So you anyone. I know the number no say, me from Coma, lady no. Now, some more pen already. Timido, I'm a cardinal. And I'm chatting the number. I'm a trouble number and good cardinals. Who card I printed upon, but the pen I show number. No be crazy there. And I'm a DVD and a man. But 3 days. Now, me lady mom, they didn't come on the idea. No, that a woman will not give her a man on my. You know, call when I'm so afraid. May the Befra, I want Freda. Me and I made my jaddy. Let that crowd know who you share shit on some boy, my Jerry. I feel my Miss Converse of Miss Car. Oh, my Miss Cousin. Share. See what. She's our mister. And I'm not pesa title, boss, Mr. near the identity. Na me name, na me shana say as me boss, but na me friend Simon. It's Mr. Amwa Simon. Mr. Amwa Simon. Michel. Mr. Ube Drunzo so proper chema wakola. How do you say? One ado haba na box anya na me boabo no me siama wa. Udi matem gra family home nti. Oh, rather ya go for. And then when me home be there. Me be there because me boss what town. Me be there pa. Na me boss what town na me say ni say na me nya. Dia me Kenya me boa o. Me boa kra, me boa. Man kan ye kra. Se ne me nyiska.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Right, my time as me coffee. Your friend me Jenny me champion boat in the cosmos. Friend me Bruce Money. Friend me Kwabena Costy. Friend my Brantipa the perfect gentleman. Because I called the woman some brandy in the football talk about you know chabe when you me jame. Ikru abu jitodi.